Okay, we continue with our activity about the reader book. Date, you need please copy date, August 2020. Topic, transportation then and now. Performance, reading, page 39 and 40. Okay, you copy that, and when you finish, we continue. Watch that.
Airplanes. People used to fly gliders. 7 minutes.
Okay, we start to read page 39, okay? We start.
German inventor Karl von Drais made a bicycle about.
Before airplanes, people
People used to fly gliders.
used to fly gliders. Gliders es aeroplanos.
Gliders held one person, and their
Gliders help one person,
wings
and their wings look like bat
They
wings.
didn't have
Okay? The wings. This is the wings. This the wings. Las alas. The wings. The wings looked like a bat wings. Okay? Bat.
have engines, so
They didn't have engines, so they float in the air. No tenían motor. Float in the air.
they floated in the air. Then, about 100 years ago,
Then, about 100 years ago,
American brothers Orville and Wilbur Wright
American brothers Orville and Wilbur Wright, they are the brothers,
invented the airplane.
inventing the airplane.
The Wright brothers' airplane had
The Wright brothers airplane
propellers
had propellers and engines and controls. Okay?
So you can now fly around the
And they have only no float on the air. They have engine, ya tenía motor and controls. Yes? Through, you can now fly around
world. That first
the
flight
world.
wasn't long.
The first flight wasn't long. The first flight, el primer vuelo no fue largo. Wasn't, lo niega, wasn't long. It only flew about
It only flew about
36 meters and lasted about 12 seconds. Okay, only very short.
German engineer Carl Benz